We've got a beehive way up in the tree. Let's go take a look. We want to be very, very sneaky. So for this next portion, I'm going to go ahead and wear my suit because what we're planning on doing is taking that beehive, and I've tied off a rope up there, yellow rope, and we're going to take this main branch that they're on, we're going to cut it and kind of leverage it down all the way into the box. Alright, so got him out of the tree, kind of chopped a few places, got the main majority of the swarm in here, and there's a little bit left up near the top, back where the hive was. It's always to be expected, so we're going to try and shake them off and get them in the box.